Now we are ready to grab some weights. So you choose whether you want to just grab one weight or both dumbbells. So let's go for the right hand first. So we're gonna grab the right hand. Make sure to keep the powerhouse active, knees under hips, wrists under shoulders. And then let's start with the inhale. You're gonna pull the elbow close to your ribcage up to the sky and exhale, softly release, but don't drop anymore. Keep the tension. Inhale up and exhale, lower down. So press yourself out of your shoulder blades. So press the floor away from you with the left hand. And when we got the right arm, let's add the leg. So it's the left leg that is extending with the inhale and bending with the exhale. I love to breathe in while I'm stretching the leg because for me, I gain some more length here. When you observe yourself that you lose, that was the word, you lose the powerhouse, then feel free to breathe out when you extend, okay? So there's not always a right or wrong, but always try to keep breathing. Let's go for 4 more. Make sure the left elbow is not hyperextended. Keep the elbow muscularly bent to reduce the stress here in your joint. Good, keep the gaze down to the ground. And with the next inhale, keep the leg long, the elbow high, and with the exhale, you're gonna stretch the arm up to the ceiling. Bend, keeping the upper arm behind your upper body, and then again, exhale, stretch. Good job. We're gonna wake up the triceps here, the back shoulder muscle. Good job. Breathe out, extend. If you want more, add the left leg. So with the exhale, you're gonna lift, and with the inhale, you're gonna lower the extended leg slightly. It's not a big move, just a tiny move here. And try to pull the left kneecap towards the midline of your body to keep the leg parallel and the hips closed. All right? Good job. Let's go. 4 more. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Spread the left fingertips firmly into the ground. This will reduce the stress in your wrist. Think more in length than in height here. Last round, and keep the arm extended. We're gonna circle the arm. Breathe in and another circle. Breathe out. Start with tiny circles so you really ensure that you keep the torso steady and calm. And when you got the arm, add the leg circle. Doesn't matter in which direction, because we will switch in a second. If it's too much weight, skip one weight. That's totally fine. Breathe in and breathe out. Now switch the direction of the circle. Be curious. Make the circles a little bit bigger, but don't move the rest of the body. Use your powerhouse. Last 4. And breathe out loudly through pursed lips. This will help your body, especially your powerhouse, to stay strong. Yes, fill your lungs, your body with oxygen and life. Last one. Whew, getting warm here. And then relax. Drop the knee, the dumbbell, and then shake out the left wrist, especially for a moment. All right, team, before we switch over to the other side, let's meet on the belly for a nice booty session. So from here, come back onto all fours. Bring the hands 1 hand length away from you. The rest of the body is following, so we're gonna move over into a kneeling plank. Strength girdle is active, and then we're gonna bend the arms, elbows close to your body, lay down on your belly. Nice. So, first of all, let's find the neutral pelvis position. What you can do here is to tuck the toes under, stretch the knees so the knees are flying in the air, and now you have more control over your pelvis. So imagine there is a tiny ice cube under your belly. You don't want to touch the ice cube. So zip the belly in and press your pubic bone softly into the mat. So try to keep that length in your lumbar spine and that pelvis position as you're lengthening here the toes again. And then without moving the pelvis, we're going to bend the right leg and you bring one dumbbell if you want more into the right back of your knee. So let's create a pillow with our hands. Bring the forehead onto your hands, relaxing the shoulders. Focus on your powerhouse inhale. And with the exhale, you slightly lift the right thigh off the floor. Breathe and drop down. And breathe out, slightly lift the right thigh off the floor. Good job. We're gonna go for 6 more rounds here. Try not to move the pelvis forwards when you lift the leg. Keep it where it is. Breathe and drop. And breathe out. Think about the ice cube again and lift the leg. Let's go for 4 more. It's not about speed, it's not about height. So slow it down and work with muscle power. Good. Don't forget to press the left foot, the left leg actively into the mat. This will give you more power here. Last 2. With the next round, keep the right thigh in the air. And with the inhale, you point the right foot. And with the exhale, you flex. Again, breathe and point. Exhale, flex. Give me 6 more rounds. Point. And flex. 5 more rounds. Point. And flex, just moving the ankle here. Nice. Activate the calf muscle as you point and the shin muscle as you flex. Last 2. Last 1, breathe in. And then stay in the flexed position and open the right knee to the right side, breathe in. And with the exhale, try to bring the thighs together, squeeze together for some activation in your inner thighs. Open, inhale. And exhale, squeeze together. Imagine you have an orange between your thighs and you squeeze out that orange. I can already feel my hamstrings, the muscles at the back of the leg, the glutes screaming, while the inner thighs, the adductors also working here. So the inner thighs are connected with the pelvic floor through fascia tissue. So let's try to also activate the pelvic floor with the exhale. Right thigh still floating in the air. Give me 3 more. Last 2. And 1 more. Good job. And then open shoulder width apart. Drop the thigh. Grab the weight. Put it onto the floor and extend the leg. Nice. Maybe shake out the hips for a moment. And then prepare for the second round. We're going to bring the hands under your shoulder joints next to your chest. Strength girdle is active. And we're going to press all the way up onto all 4s. Now we're going to grab the weights with the left hand. And we're going to repeat everything to the other side. Have a look. Make sure that you're not collapsing towards the floor like this. So keep pressing out. The shoulder blades are moving apart. Okay? So when you found this strong, stable position, grab the weights. We're gonna start with the inhale. Pull the elbow up, close to your chest, and exhale, release. Breathe in, lift, and breathe out. Lower down. So a nice session for arms, shoulders, back muscles. And in a second, we include the glute again. honestly, the whole body is working. So let's go for the right leg. Inhale, extend, lengthening. And exhale, focus on the strength girdle. So breathe in. And breathe out. Zip the belly button in and up. So to reduce the pressure on your right wrist, again, think about a strong base. So you're pressing the fingertips firmly into the ground, pushing the floor away from you, elbow nicely bent. Good job. Let's go for 4 more rounds. Please make sure that when you extend the leg, that you're not moving the lower back, okay? So imagine someone is pulling the leg to the back, so the foot wants to reach the other side of the room. Breathe in and breathe out. Last one. Then keep the elbow high, the leg long, and we're gonna extend the arm with the exhale, and with the inhale you bend. So this is super nice for the triceps. Try to keep the upper arm behind your upper body. Okay, let's include the leg a little bit. So as you bend the arm, you lower the extended leg, and then you lift again a little bit, okay? So breathe in and breathe out. Ooh, it's getting warm. The burn is coming. Nice, let's go. 4 more. Slow it down, slow it down. Point the foot. Crown of the head is pulling you forwards, creating length, space in the whole body. 2 more. Last one. And then keep the arm long, the leg in the air. We're gonna circle. Breathe in 1 circle and breathe out another circle. When you realize that you have too much weight, just skip it. The aim is to keep moving. So let's add the leg circle. And as you can see, it's not that fast. Slow it down. It's all about the control. Good. 2 more. And last one. And then stop the movement and reverse. Breathe in. And breathe out to pursed lips. Be curious. Make the circles bigger and bigger without wiggling. Try. Whew, you're doing great. Come on. 4 more. Shoulders low. Break is coming. 2 more. Our body is shaking. And then drop the weight and the knee. Booty on the heels. Give yourself a moment to recover. Shake it out. Enjoy. Nice. So we have 1 more round coming up on the belly. Whew. So make sure you have the weight close to your body so you can catch it when we are lying down on the belly. So go ahead, hands on the ground, walk forwards a little bit, rest of the body is following. Kneeling plank, lower down, open the legs shoulder width apart. So immediately think about the ice cube, about tucking the tailbone under, bend the left leg, and then bring the weight into the left back of the knee. Creating a pillow with the hands. Please make sure that you don't bring any tension to your shoulders. Powerhouse, active, prepare with the inhale. And with the exhale, you'll lift the left thigh off the floor. Bring it down, breathe in. Bring it up, breathe out. Let's go 6 more rounds. Don't rush here. Imagine you are flowing, you are moving through honey. So no fast movements, no hectic here. Just focusing on synchronizing movement and breath. Last 2. With the next exhale, keep the left thigh flying in the air. Then we're gonna point, inhale, and exhale, flex. Point, activate the calf, and flex, activating the shin muscles. Breathe in and breathe out. Whew. Hammies are working here as well. Let's go 4 more. Point and flex. 3 more. Think about the ice cube. 2 more. Last. And then keep the foot flexed. I'm gonna open the left knee to the left side. Breathe in and breathe out, pressing the thighs together. Ooh, open, breathe in. And close and squeeze, breathe out. Don't forget the ice cube. Think about that pelvic floor again. We're gonna go for 5 more. Come on. So imagine you're stopping your urine stream. All right, that's how you get the pelvic floor. Oh, 2 more. Check your shoulders, relax, shake it out. 1 more. And then open again, relax, grab the weight, put it to the side, wiggle the hips. Nice, be proud of yourself. Whew, that was a nice arm, shoulder, booty session. Thank you so much for working out with me. I really enjoyed it. I hope you too. If you didn't know it yet, we also have some live streams via Zoom. I hope to get to know you there. Let's chat, let's work out together. I can give you real-time feedback there if you want to. So don't miss it. You can find the link over here or continue with one of my free YouTube workouts over here. Hope to see you there.